Hello dear student. Today in Unit 3, Lesson 2, we are going to talk about a new subject which is certainty and possibility. Let's get started. We start from certainty. For certainty we have two different types. The first one is certainty in the present. How we show certainty in the present time. Or we can say in the present tense. This is the rule or the form of certainty in the present. As you see, we have subject at the beginning, and then we use must or can't for certainty in the present. And then we have be. After be, we have noun or an adjective or adverb and verb ing. And also we have another form for certainty in the present, that we have base form of the verb after must or can't. We have examples here. Look at these examples. The first one, she must be rich. We use must for certainty in the present, and then we have be. After be we have rich, which is adjective here. The second one, you can't be serious. You can't be serious. Another example, he must be studying. We use must for certainty in the present, and after be, as you see, we have studying here, which is verb ing. And as we said, we may have the verb base, or we can say the base form of the verb after must or can't. As we see in this example, she can't pass in the exam. Pass here is the base form of the verb. Another example, they must have an exam. Also, we have the base form of the verb, which is have here after must. And as we said, we have certainty in the present, and also we have certainty in the past time. Also here we have rules for certainty in the past. We have subject at the beginning, and then we use must, can't or couldn't for certainty in the past, and they followed by have been. And after have been we have a noun or an adjective or adverb or verb ing, or we can see the ing form. And also we may have plus pp. It means the third form of the verb, past participle, after must, can't or couldn't. Look at these examples. They can't have been playing well. After can't we have been, and then we have playing, which is verb ing. You must have been busy. Also after must we have been, and after have been we have busy, which is an adjective. Another example, he must have traveled. This is the second rule. After must we have, and then it's followed by traveled, which is the past participle of the verb travel. She must have passed the exam. Also here passed is the past participle of the verb pass. So it means after must we have plus pp. The last one, they can't have played well. Also here it's the same. After can't we have plus pp. I mean the past participle of the verb, which is played. And now let's talk about possibility. And also for possibility we have two different tenses. We have possibility in the present, and also we have the rules also here for possibility in the present. We have subject at the beginning, and then we have, or we can say we use may, might, could for possibility in the present, and then we have be followed by a noun or an adjective or adverb or verb ing. And also we have another rule we just change the second part of the rule, I mean, and also here we have may, might, and could. Till here it's the same, and after them, I mean after may, might, or could, we may have a base form of the verb. We don't have a noun, I mean be plus a noun or an adjective or verb ing. Here we may have the base form of the verb. We have examples here. Look at the first one. She may be sick. We have may here and be followed by an adjective which is sick. You might be having a difficult exam. Here we have after might be we have verb ing which is having. The third one, he could be at home. Here we have an adverb which is at home after could be. And this is related to the second rule. As we said, after maybe we may have the base form of the verb. Here we have pass, which is the base form of the verb pass. She may be passed in the exam. They might have. Also here we have might, then we have base, an exam. They might have an exam. And also we have possibility in the past. We have rules also here. We have subject at the beginning, and then we have may, might, could. It means we use these words for show possibility in the past. We have may, might, could, and then we have been. Have been followed by a noun or an adjective or adverb or verb ing. And also we have another rule. For possibility in the past, after may, might, or could, we may have plus pp. I mean the past participle of the verb. We have example. Look at these examples. He could have been tired. After could we have been, and then we have an adjective which is tired. They may have been in the garden. In the garden here, and it is an adverb place. We have been, and then we have an adverb. He might have had guesses. This is the second rule. As we said, we have might. After might we may have pp. Here we have had, which is pp. And then another example, we have she could have passed the exam. Also here we have the same. We have could, and then we have had. After had we have pp, which is passed. The last example, people may have lived there long ago. After may we have plus pp, which is lived. The summary, what we have learned today is that certainty in the present, we have a rule for certainty in the present, as we talked about it in the previous slides. We have subject, and then we use must or can for certainty in the present, and they followed by be plus a noun or an adjective or a verb or verb ing. And also we may have base form of the verb. And also we talked about the certainty in the past. Also we have the form, we have the structure for certainty in the past. We use must or can't or couldn't for certainty in the past, and they followed by have been plus a noun or an adjective or adverb or verb ing. And also we may have plus pp. And also we have possibility in the present. We use these words for possibility in the present: may, might, could, and they followed by be plus a noun or adjective or adverb or verb ing. And we may have also the base form of the verb. And also we talked about it, possibility in the past. We have rules for possibility in the past. We have may, might or could for possibility in the past, and they followed by have been plus a noun or adjective or adverb or verb ing, and we may have plus pp after them. And that's all. Thanks for your listening.